Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and in this video I will show how to make explainer animation with only using keyframes. Let's first step select this background and look here, then select this layer and let's go to solo, press P and let's make new path in keyframe and move it down. Okay, and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard or click here time duration and write +10 for go to 10 keyframes. Click OK and let's move it up. Go to 10 keyframes again, move it down. Let's unsolo and go to 10 keyframes again, move it up. Again go to 10 keyframes, move it down. So select keyframes, make easy ease or click F9. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So select this shape layer, hold shift, press S, open scale and go to here. Click this icon, make scale keyframe and change scale like this. Select first scale keyframe, move to left and let's see. Okay, let's change more this 25 and go to here. Let's change scale like this 110 and go to here, change 95. Again go to next keyframe, change 100. Select scale keyframes, make easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Select scale keyframes, move to right. Okay, that's good. Let's go to last position keyframe, select here and move it down. Go to 10 keyframes again, move it up. Let's see. Nice, very good. So in this time select these other shape layers. Let's link to shape layer 1 and let's see. Nice, and in this time select this shape layer 3 and this shape layer and this. Let's press P and move to right. Make new path in keyframe, move to right these keyframes and first select this shape layer 5. Let's move to here and this red move to right and last shape layer blue move to right like this. And say keyframes, make easies and let's see. Okay, go to middle here and select this layer green, move to down and this blue move to up. Go to here, hold this icon and select this convert vertex tool and let's go to here, hold left mouse, make smooth line and select this again, make smooth line. Click selection tool, let's see. Okay, so go to here and select this last keyframe and go to 3 keyframes, 1, 2, 3. Let's zoom to here and move to up. Go to 3 keyframes, 1, 2, 3. Move to down. Again go to 3 keyframes, 1, 2, 3. Move to up. Again go to 3 keyframes, 1, 2, 3. Move to down. So let's say animation. Okay, select the last 3 keyframes, hold Alt, move to left for fast animation, select last keyframes, move to left also, let's see. Okay, select last keyframes, move to here, like this. Okay, that's good. Select keyframes, again let's move to left for more fast animation. Okay, so select middle keyframe and let's right mouse, go to keyframe velocity and click here and change influence 79 and this 79%. Click OK. Nice. So select this shape layer 4. Let's move to left these keyframes and these keyframes. and select these last passing keyframes, copy and select this layer blue and Ctrl V. Move to the left and go to last passing keyframe, select keyframes and move to up. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Select this middle keyframe, move to here. And right now select the shape layer, hold shift press S, open scale and go to here, make scale keyframe and go to back, change scale 0. And select these scale keyframes, copy and select this layer red, Ctrl V, and layer blue and Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. And let's close this keyframe setting, select these cube layers and move to the left. Let's see animation. Let's move to left more. Move to left more again. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's select these line layers and move to right this layer. Also select this, move to right, and these lines and these lines. And select these lines layers and move to right. So in this time select this first line layer and go to add. Let's use trim paths and open here, change end 0, make end keyframe and go to some keyframes, change 100%. Select keyframes, make eases and go to graph editor, select this graph, make graph like this for smooth and select work array. Let's see. Okay, so select these trim paths keyframes, copy and select other lines, go to first second, Ctrl V for pass and let's see. Okay, let's see timing. Select this first blue, select these blue lines, select these two shape layers and let's see. Move to the left. And these shape layers, move to here. And these lines. Okay, so let's see animation. Okay, not bad. So select this character layer and let's first select this yellow background and change yellow background and select these user layers and click toggle switch mode and go to matte. Let's link to yellow background and select this yellow background. Let's enable here. Okay, select these user layers. Let's select this layer 9, link to layer 10. Select layer 10 and move to down. Let's see. Select yellow B. Let's open inside and contents, rectangle 1, rectangle path 1 and click size icon and go to here, make size keyframe, go to back and change size 0. Select keyframes, make eases. Okay, and go to here, change this size 0. Nice. So right now let's select these user layers and press P, make new passing keyframe and go to some keyframes, move up and go to 10 keyframes, move to down for bonus animation, go to 10 keyframes again, move to up, again move to down. Select keyframes, make easies, and select work area, let's see. Nice, very good. Select this shape layer 9 and go to pen behind, move the anchor point down, clickation tool, go to here and press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation like this, and go to here, change rotation, go to next keyframe, change again, and here, and 0. Select keyframes, make easies. Nice, select keyframes, let's right mouse, go to keyframe assistant and time reverse keyframes. Okay, and go to last keyframe, change like this. Nice. Okay, that's all. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.